Yeah, in the eyes, ears.
Oh no.
Oh, there's a monitor behind him. It's grounding. He's moving through the grass slowly. Just a lead. Right of the running for birds on. There you go. Try the leg move. There you go. Turn around. Coming back. Hmm. Oh, have you yawned?
Oh, you bugger. You just said sparks. What is wrong with us?
That's why we're seeing the big teeth, cannon teeth, 15 centimeters. They use them to bite people.
Yeah.
They kill by biting.
We're
Oh,
awful
do they?
people with no brains.
Oh, well, you just report that to
Oh God, we can't be trusted.
What a beauty.
Because when they feel hot, they'll go back into the wood.
Yes, and he
When
looks
they
like
feel
he's,
cold, they come on the...
Oh,
looks like he wants to.
thank you, Mr. Hippo. You magical creature.
Here he goes.
Splash.
Just going to walk back there.
It'll be on, it'll be on.
I was going to get his mate to go in too. So I'll go if you go.
Come on, Russ. Yes.
You got a good one of the toilet seat, do you?
It's too far away. I've got it, but it's not going to be any good.
He's off. Launching himself slowly into the water.
Now it's George Williams going to Williams.
Mm. You better
Oh, he's having a
like a politician is really it's good, huh?